friend Stephanie Barnard, and it's the Stamps of Life collection. And it's a really fun, bold card making kit. So
it is.
you have two choices to choose from today. And Stephanie wanted everybody to know she did this exclusively for you here at HSN.
That is true.
You cannot get this kit by going to her website. It's only here at HSN. And today it's 10% off for the final airing. What we have for you is the Stamps of Life birthday party card making kit. And then we also have the beautiful Christmas tree Christmas card making kit. Now at 10% off and 4 flexible payments, and your entire order ships for $5. If you love the aesthetic, if you love the cutout shapes, I think you'd be cuckoo crazy not to go for both of them. They've even got some embellishments and all sorts of goodies that she's thrown in, from the paper to the dies to the embellishments. It's a great, wonderful, fun kit. And birthday and Christmas, how can you go wrong?
Right, exactly. Everybody has birthdays, and Christmas comes every year, guaranteed. And what we have here is a design that I designed called Fold It, because I've taken old technology and made it new. And what do I mean by that? On the back of these dies, it tells you exactly where to place your fold. So here I have a fold. This is the hardest part. I folded my cardstock. That's the hardest part. Then let's take the Christmas tree to show that one off. On the back, it says place fold here or place fold here. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It tells everyone that's where you're gonna put the fold. So if I wanted to fold at the top, here's my fold. I'm gonna take my die and I'm gonna put it right there, so when I run it through my machine, it's gonna cut it out, and I don't have to worry about, oh gosh, am I putting that in the right spot, or oh, is it going the right way, or anything like that. Now, these are perfect for card making. They make A2 size cards. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That's very important to card makers. You always want to have 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. But there we go. Simple, simple. But you can also use these for scrapbooking, for home decor, for party decor, anything like that. I'm just going to add some quick adhesive on here, and I've already taken the liberty of putting all of these other pieces that come in the kit on my card.
Now, you did a huge kit exclusively for us here at HSN.
Yes,
you know,
I did.
Stephanie said to me, I really threw in the entire kit and caboodle. So the birthday kit is more limited. You'll get not only all those dies to make the card itself and all of your detail work, but you're getting a ton of pattern paper and even these wonderful embellishment rhinestones and the stamp pad to go along with it. The same thing goes with the Christmas kit. They are big, wonderful, creative, fun kits, and so much of it comes together today at 10% off the price and the last chance to shop.
Right, and it's important to notice that the stamps are made in the United States of the highest quality photopolymer, so you're gonna get some nice, thick, durable stamps that are gonna last you a lifetime. And look at how fun these designs are. So you can use the actual card itself to make that A2 size card, or put it on top of a card as well, and you get the same look but with the background of the card itself. So here's another sample. You're also getting all of the dies that go in with it to decorate it, and the fun rhinestones or the epoxy dots. But we haven't even talked about the paper pad yet. Now the paper pad is 24 double-sided pieces of cardstock, not paper. That is thick stuff. Hear that? That's one sheet right there. That is extra, extra, extra thick. Printed in the United States, high quality. I've designed all of these products for the HSN viewers.
And by the way, you've got some love on Facebook.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Jennifer says these are super cute. Anna says, I see a slice of pizza with the party hat.
That is true.
Darlene says hello. She says, go, 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 Stamps for Life. I mean, this is a brand that is growing very, very quickly. And the aesthetic is very fun.
So cute.
It's very accessible. You know, if you are somebody that loves to card make and you want to get your daughter or your grandson involved in the making process, I really think this is one that they can really get their heads around and start to make really fun projects with.
And you know what, I'll be honest, my 2 little nephews, ages 7 and 5, they literally will get my die cut machine out and say, Auntie, we want to go to your house and we want to make stamps and dies. And they do. They have so much fun with it. And it's safe for them. As long as you watch them, it's safe for them to play and have fun and explore.
And your dies go in any die cut machine,
die cut machine. They're completely everything, every die cut machine out there, they work in.
Now, I will remind everybody, this is exclusive to us here at HSN. If you go check out Stephanie's website, you will not find the kit that you're seeing today with either the epoxy dots for Christmas or the rhinestone embellishments for birthday. You're getting the big stamp pad to go along with this, in addition to absolutely everything. Now, I am being told our birthday kit will sell out first, but most customers are picking up both. Because if you love the aesthetic, if you love the slice of pizza cutout.
Yeah, there you go.
it's a really good idea. Get them both and have a birthday aesthetic and a holiday aesthetic. Remember, your whole order was shipped for just $5. You have 4 flexible payments only for today, and you can't get this kit anywhere but here.
Now, also, I need to mention, you can cut wool felt with these dyes.
Oh, cool.
Wool felt, as long as there's wool content, and foam. So any of that thin foam that you can definitely use any of those. And we're just having so much fun with these because, yes, you could make it a pizza. Now I'm thinking a pizza party. I need to have a pizza party with my dyes that make the little party hats. And then also I wanted to show you this cute little one. This mouse stamp set is available on hsn.com, and it is adorable. Also exclusive to HSN.
So we're going to run to the phones. Mary's calling us from up in Kentucky. Good evening, Mary. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I was so excited when I was looking online last night to see Steffi Barnard's Stamp of Life kit. And I have already ordered the mouse Christmas stamp set and also the coffee set. And I wanted everybody to know I'm also a member of her club. And she makes the most beautiful, whimsical items. And they just make great layouts and cards and everything. And I think everybody who ever buys them would enjoy them.
Well, Mary, thank you so much for taking some time to call and share your love for Stamps for Life. We're so excited to have them here at HSN Stamps of Life, and I appreciate your time shopping with us and giving us a call, Mary.
And Stephanie really gives a lot of training. She gives videos online to show how they all work, so you're not just getting something in the mail and trying to figure it out. She does a lot of YouTube things and shows how to use them. And you can join her club and get other items too, but I'm happy they're with HSN.
Oh, well, Mary, thank you so much. We're glad to have you shopping with us. And it's always nice to know that you've opened up a great big community.
I have.
You know, it's wonderful when you see everybody getting creative together and sharing tips and tricks, and it really becomes a wonderful way to bond through this process. So if this is a kit you're interested in, Punky says Yahoo, Stamps of Life. Jacqueline says, oh my gosh, Stephanie, you look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You know, we're all very, very excited to have you here at HSN. Teresita says to say hello to you, says she loves your products from all the way in Puerto Rico. So thank you for shopping with us. Stay on the phone for it. The birthday kit is on its way to selling out, so we thank you so much. I hope to see more of you in the future.
Yes, I hope so too. Thank you so much.
Really do appreciate it. Okay, now don't forget, of course, you've got 4 flexible payments. That's on absolutely everything while it's available. Okay, now, still to come, while we're talking about these super